Back in the 1950s, artificial intelligence was largely a scientific theory confined to massive, room-sized mainframe computers. That changed in 2022. The release of advanced generative tools moved AI from laboratory testing to global desktops, marking a turning point for widespread adoption. This sudden access triggered an immediate public panic. People saw machines writing, coding, and reasoning, leading many to assume human labor was headed toward obsolescence. Tech analysts warned that the entire bottom half of entry-level white-collar jobs faced immediate disruption. Yet, despite these warnings, the predicted job apocalypse has failed to materialize. Every single industry, from agriculture to healthcare, is now adopting artificial intelligence in some capacity. This grid of the modern workforce shows the scale of that integration. Roughly half of all employees worldwide now use AI tools to handle their daily workplace tasks. The economy hasn't collapsed because our core fear is based on a misunderstanding of how this technology actually interacts with human labor. Under the hood, AI is a set of systems, machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing, designed to mimic specific cognitive functions. Deep learning uses neural networks to process information similarly to a human brain. This allows machines to handle highly complex physical tasks, like managing robotic arms during a surgical procedure. These are highly specialized tools. They excel at executing routine cognitive tasks, but they cannot replicate the broad adaptability required to replace a human professional. The World Economic Forum has tracked how this task-based automation is projected to change the global labor market through 2030. On one side of the ledger, AI is expected to displace 92 million existing jobs. However, the same transition is projected to create 170 million entirely new roles. This leaves a net gain of 78 million jobs globally. This growth occurs because AI is statistically more likely to augment human work than to automate it. 57% of workplace tasks are currently enhanced by AI, while only 43% are fully automated. The paradox is that AI is dismantling old task-based roles specifically to build a larger, highly augmented labor market. While science fiction fixates on a robot uprising, the actual risks of this transition are economic and systemic. Economic inequality is a major concern. High-skilled workers are seeing their productivity and wages scale up, while low-skilled workers face the highest risk of displacement. This shift forces developing nations to undergo massive rescaling. India, for instance, is a primary battleground for this tech intensity as its economy transitions toward high-scale digital services. We also face immediate security threats. AI is being used to create deepfakes and spread misinformation, while algorithmic bias remains a persistent ethical challenge. Navigating the shift requires urgent focus on global governance, data privacy laws, and ethical frameworks to manage these systemic risks. Over the next decade, AI will likely be integrated into most professional roles, creating a surge in demand for workers who can collaborate with these systems. By 2050, we expect to see autonomous systems managing physical logistics and industry, while human strategy remains the primary driver of high-level innovation. In this model, machines handle the routine and repetitive, allowing humans to focus on strategy, empathy, and ethical decision-making. The financial data confirms this transition. Currently, workers who possess AI skills command a 56% wage premium over those who don't. When the market rewards technical adaptability with such a significant premium, it signals a move towards an economy that prioritizes specialized skills over traditional manual labor. Success in this new landscape requires comprehensive education and a willingness to work alongside AI, rather than in competition with it. AI will not replace you, but a human who knows how to use AI absolutely will.